क्यों क्यों आप काउच चूज करते हो ट्रेडमिल की जगह? आंसर है आपके पास। क्यों आप अपने पर्पस की जगह सोशल मीडिया पे स्क्रॉल करना चूज करते हो? क्यों आप हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल की जगह अनहेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल चूज करते हो? रिमेंबर, वो एक क्या चीज थी जो आपको अचीव करनी थी, जो आप बहुत टाइम पहले ही भूल चुके हो कि आपको अचीव करनी थी? रिमेंबर, याद आ रहा है? याद आ रहा है? याद करो, क्योंकि वही चीज है आपको अपने कंफर्ट जोन से निकालेगी एंड यू विल स्टॉप बीइंग लेजी एंड पथेटिक। वेलकम बैक। माय नेम इज कशिश राजपाल एंड आई एम योर मैनिफेस्टेशन थेरेपिस्ट। तो आज हम लिटरली बात करने वाले हैं कि हाउ टू स्टॉप बीइंग पथेटिक एंड लेजी। आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव सो मेनी गुड थिंग्स इन लाइफ, सो मेनी हैव विजन्स इन लाइफ एंड they are lazy. I mean, how can you be lazy if you have goals? How can you be lazy if you have dreams? How can you be lazy if you have visions in your life? Can you imagine people having a vision and a mission and they are being lazy? They won't be able to do it. Just sit aside and let us do it then. There are hell amount of people who have the purpose but they are not able to achieve anything in life. Why? Because they are so much into the trap of being lazy and pathetic. You just got to make sure that what was that thing जो आप करना चाहते थे। सोचो, क्या वो चीज थी जो करना चाहते थे? क्या करना था जिंदगी में? करियर चेंज करना था, क्रिएटर बनना था, हेल्थ अच्छी चाहिए थी, रिलेशनशिप अच्छे चाहिए थे, पेरेंट्स अच्छे बनना था, वाइफ अच्छी बनना था, मदर अच्छी बनना था, पति अच्छा बनना था। क्या चाहिए था? फाइनेंसेस अच्छे करने थे। What you wanted, the thing you wanted will help you come out of this being lazy and comfort zone thing. You got to come out of it, because the moment you will come out of it, then only you will become you. If you take actions on it, then only you will stop being lazy and pathetic. I have some few things which I'm gonna tell you how to do it, and let's get started. And I have noted down everything, so if I look down in some cases, just accept the fact that I have written the key points and I have to share with you the whole detail. It's not that I can miss anything, because it's your life. It's your life which is in my hands, I feel, and I'm here to serve you and to help you for better. So let's get started. Make friends with alarm clock. I know this alarm clock thing has a very bad reputation, but once you make friend with this alarm clock, if you have the right schedule of sleeping at the right time and waking up at the right time, the same time, not the right time, let's say the same time, because everybody has the different chronological orders of sleeping and getting the work done, and I totally accept it. But if you have the same time of sleeping and waking up, you will make a lot of difference. You will not feel lethargy all the time. You will not feel like a zombie moving here and there all the time. If you don't have the right sleep schedules, आप पूरे दिन पागल हल्क मोड में रहोगे और चिड़चिड़ करते रहोगे, and that's not going to serve your purpose. Let's accept the fact it's not going to serve your purpose, right? The second point, which is magic of micro goals. You have this Everest empire in your head that you want to achieve so much, and maybe the reason you are not achieving it because you are not having the micro goals of it. एक स्टेप, एक सीढ़ी, यू नीड टू हैव दैट गोल्स. इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि 10 तक जाने का आपको रास्ता पता है, बट नेक्स्ट 3 का तो आपको पता है ना. जस्ट मूव टूवर्ड्स इट, जस्ट मूव टूवर्ड्स इट. द मोर you move towards the step and the step and the step, it's gonna make so much difference. I tell you, when I used to think like about the Mount Everest kind of goals of mine, which are very heavy, very visionary, very extraordinary, I was so scared out of myself. I was so, it scared the shit out of me, and then I'm not able to do anything. फिर मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर पाती थी, ये सोच के कि कैसे करूँगी करके इतनी हाइपर हो जाती थी कि कर ही नहीं पाती थी. Instead, then I did the ladder form, stepping the stones, making just having the stepping stone towards it, then making little changes. And trust me, when I look back now, I see, oh my God, I did it. I've done so much, and it's so satisfying, and it is helping my purpose grow. It's literally helping my purpose grow, and there's nothing much more important than my purpose in my life. Okay, the third point is exercise. Now I'm not gonna lie, not gonna lie, but I'm not telling you to become a CrossFit champion out of it or run a marathon out of it. No, I'm not telling you that. Am I telling you that? No. With exercise, I only means having 10 to 15 to 20 minutes walking or stretching your body, or doing something with your body, dancing out, maybe simple steps like walking, brisk walking, just simple things, just 20 minutes of your day. Just it will help you in such an immense to change your mood and change your energy levels. And when your energy levels are high, then you will not think about sitting on a couch and scrolling reels and doing nothing and beating around the bush. No, you are going to change yourself. You are going to do things for yourself, because it's going to change your mood and clarify your thinking. So I'm not going to tell you to become a CrossFit champion, but I'm going to tell you to spend 20 minutes of your day in just moving your body in any way you like. Okay, then the fourth one is mindfulness. Now, sometimes what happen is we have this goal, big goals, but we are going somewhere else in life. For example, I've told you are scrolling Instagram, you are meeting people who are not necessary in your life, you are doing things for others in just like that, and you're watching movies which are not serving you. You have eaten all the Netflix and Amazon Prime and maybe all the Bahuti series or whatever, but it's not serving you. So you need to be very crystal clear. Am I going towards my dream? Is this my dream? Is this serving me? Is this not serving me? What it is doing to me? What it is doing to me? Is your purpose to watch Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahuti? Watch it, no problem, watch it. But if you are not the person who want to have all this toxicity in your life, then don't watch it. Stop watching it. Just get the shit out of your life. Okay, so you need to be very mindful of whatever you are doing with your life, in order that this is serving my purpose or not serving my purpose. You have to be very clear about it. Okay, then the pleasure game, I like to tell it. The fifth one is the pleasure game. Now, what is the pleasure game? Pleasure game is, for the short term goals we sacrifice the long term goals. For short term pleasures we sacrifice the long term pleasures. For example, the long term pleasure is being healthy, but the short term pleasure is eating the ice cream or eating pizza or eating burger or eating anything. I'm not saying stop eating altogether. I have not done for myself. Okay, instead, what you need to do, this 80-20 principle. 80 times healthy food and 20 times unhealthy food, and that is, I think, enough. When I understood this particular thing, I was like, oh my god, this is so great, this is so amazing. I'm also eating, I'm feeding myself junk also, but 80% of the times I'm eating healthy, which is not bombarding me with delay gratification. And I do this amazing thing called delay gratification, कि short term pleasures को हम sacrifice करते हैं long term pleasure के लिए. For example, if I want to achieve any goal, तो I have this staircase of 1 month कि मुझे एक महीने में 4 हफ्ते होते हैं, तो 4 हफ्ते ये काम करना है. And when I achieve it, I celebrate a small win. And I'm delaying a gratification. For example, a month I won't eat sugar, a month I won't eat vada pav, a month I won't eat bread, a month I won't eat something junk or something like this, or if I do, then I have to do 2 hours of workout or something like this. I have made these things for myself up. वो depend करता है situation पे, जो मैं पहले ही pre-decide करके रखती हूँ. So you need to have that kind of brain game with yourself. Okay, more couch time. If you're having more couch time, means you are eating unhealthy, you are being unhealthy, you are being unhygienic, you are constantly in your own trap. And you don't have to be in your trap, because you need to stop being lazy and pathetic towards yourself. You like yourself being lazy and pathetic? I'm asking you, literally, अच्छा लगता है क्या सारे दिन lazy और pathetic होना? No, you don't like yourself. And the best thing which I'm gonna tell you now is something like stop using social media for scrolling. Instead, use social media for your growth. Can you imagine how beautiful it is when you start using social media for your gains, for example serving others or creating more content and making money out of it, it's such a blessing. Because once you start making money out of social media, it's the best thing. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा social media use scroll करती थी पहले, but then I decided I will only use in the laptop and I will only use to connect with people for my business, not otherwise. Okay, so start doing that things only for learning something, not stupidly scrolling social media for the just being lazy and sitting in the bed or on the couch and scrolling and seeing how other life is so good and how so beautiful their life is, and your life is a shit because you are making your life shit. So instead of making your life shit, instead of making your life pathetic and being lazy all the time, shift it. And the best way to do is shifting your identity, shifting yourself. You stop saying you're pathetic and lazy, instead behave like you're not pathetic and lazy. Behave like it, act like it. Get all those energies कि अगर मैं pathetic नहीं हूँ तो मैं क्या क्या करूँगी, अगर मैं lazy नहीं हूँ तो मैं क्या क्या करूँगी या क्या क्या करूँगा. And once you start doing the things, you will automatically stop doing it. I promise you. Once you it's here. Once you put it in your mindset that I don't want to be lazy and pathetic, instead I want to be this, act like it. Act towards your dreams. You have dreams. It's not that you don't have dreams, you're confused. If you're confused, just think about the last dream you have. Last बार भी हमने क्या सोचा था अपने सपनों के बारे में, उस ड्रीम को फॉलो करो. और वो भी नहीं, तुम्हारी ड्रीम्स चेंज हो सकती है, लेट्स एक्सेप्ट इट. तो दूसरी ड्रीम पे फोकस करो कि तुम्हें आगे क्या करना है. मे बी यू डोंट नो द 100 स्टेप टूवर्ड्स द माउंट एवरेस्ट, बट you know the first 5 steps. I'm so sure you know the first 5 steps. And now I say कि भाई काश मेरे साथ मुझे पहले ये चीज़ें पता होती, मुझे पहले पता. बट I was not in that zone कि मुझे ये पता होनी भी चाहिए थी. मुझे शायद 5वीं मंजिल के बाद ही समझ में आता कि आने वाली 10 चीज़ें और क्या मुझे करनी है. And you are always growing. You don't have to know the next 100 steps or the next 100 days game plan. You just need to know the next 7 days game plan, the next 5 goals you want to achieve, and just do that. The doors will automatically open for you. Trust me, the doors will open for you. It only take action. हम किसी को भी कुछ भी सक्सेस चाहिए ना जिंदगी में, मैं अब इतनी अश्योरिटी के साथ कह सकती हूँ, it's only the matter of actions. Nothing else, nothing less, nothing more, only and only actions. If you know something, act on it. Simple. If you want to start a podcast, act on it. Start speaking rubbish also. Just act on it. Maybe some people like you, maybe people like you and you make money out of it. Just act. You have people. I recently saw a son and a father podcast, which I really love, and it really inspired me कि whenever I'm gonna have kids, I'm gonna do the same. I'm literally, and the kid was like jumping around, अभी बच्चे कहाँ सीधी तरीके से बैठते हैं, आलती बालती मार के बैठते हैं, इधर घूमते उधर घूमते. The kid was doing that. So in my head I was like, okay, this person is not perfection. And उसने मेरे लिए एक दिमाग का एक अपॉर्चुनिटी खोल दी कि I also I'm gonna have a podcast show with my son or my daughter, whatever the God is going to give me. So I'm so glad कि I need to take action on it. अब बच्चे तो करेंगे जैसे बच्चे, तो it's a मतलब जो इतना ब्यूटीफुल कॉन्वर्जेशन था ना. उन्होंने एक सवाल पूछा कि व्हाट यू रियली लाइक अबाउट मी. पापा ने अपने बेटे से पूछा कि तुमको मेरे अंदर सबसे अच्छा क्या लगता है पॉडकास्ट में. उस क्लिप में मैंने देखा और उस बच्चे ने पता है क्या कहा कि मुझे अच्छा लगता है आप मेरे साथ खेलते हो. कैन यू इमेजिन? बच्चों को उस एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सपेक्टिव ने मेरे को ये समझाया कि बच्चों को अटेंशन देना कितना ज़रूरी है. उनको महंगे गिफ्ट्स, उनको महंगा चीज़ें, इन सब से भी ऊपर उनको अटेंशन चाहिए होता है. दे आर लिटिल स्मॉल किड्स, दे नीड अटेंशन. तो just do something with your kids or any dream you have, a little dream also, just start doing it and see how it transforms your life. And of course, in my Downline membership, we have a life coaching course. If you want to become a life coach and transform other people's like I am doing to you, just enroll for it and I will give you the more details. Okay, coming back to the point, you need to change your behavior in order to stop being lazy and pathetic. If you don't want to be that, just don't be that. Be different. What the another person do? What the other side of being pathetic and being lazy do? What the other side of it? They take actions, they behave in certain way, they talk in certain way, they do certain things about their lives, right? You just need to draw your energy towards the right thing, because everything you focus on, it grows. हम जिस भी चीज पे focus करते हैं वो grow करता है. It's the fact, it's the rule, it's the universal law. You cannot change it, okay? It's the fact. जो सोचोगे वैसा होगा, जो काम करोगे उसका कोई ना कोई रिजल्ट होगा. इट्स द यूनिवर्सल लॉ. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन के अलावा भी बहुत सारे लॉज हैं जो नहीं पता लोगों को, जो हम अपने मैनिफेस्टेशन कोर्स में सिखाते हैं. इफ यू वांट टू जॉइन इट, जस्ट क्लिक द लिंक बिलो, आई विल शेयर यू द डिटेल्स. तो उस सबके बिहेवियर, उन सबकी चीज़ों पे हमारा लाइफ चलता है, राइट? सो इफ यू डोंट वॉन्ट what you are right now, the simple thing is to change your reality now, and you can do it right now. Just stop saying you are pathetic and lazy and start behaving in a certain way. Start behaving in the other side of it and see how it transforms your life. So I'm sure that I was able to help you out here with the different techniques, also with the all the pravachan I gave you. मतलब थोड़ा सा एक वो बीज तो चला ही गया है तुम्हारे अंदर. एंड इफ यू वांट टू शेयर दिस वीडियो विद द पीपल जिनको तुम्हें लगता है कि उनको भी मदद करनी चाहिए, तो प्लीज कीजिए, क्योंकि व्हाटएवर फ्लोज अराउंड कम्स बैक टू यू. जो भी आप दोगे वैसे ही आपको मिलेगा. रूल ऑफ कर्म, ये तो हमारे भगवान भी कहते हैं, इसमें कोई नई बात नहीं है, हमारे गीता में भी लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है? और मुझे लगता है हर धर्म में ये लिखा हुआ है कर्मा के बारे में. तो सो जस्ट मेक श्योर टू हेल्प अदर्स विद ओपन हार्ट एंड सी हाउ द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कम्स बैक टू यू. एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड एट द सेम प्लेस एंड द सेम टाइम. टिल देन, फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक, stop being lazy and pathetic. Okay? Bye. Take care.